Ni kigomano kia mwaka uyu kigemainie na mishara ya aruti a wira kiria kihanikite na itanya ria thirikari kunyihia gicunji kia mbeca iria ihuthikaga na mishara ya aruti a wira gukiringithanio na umithio wa bururi
14%, some even.
Kuringana na muikarĩri wa kamĩtĩ ya kuramata mishara ya SRC Lynn Mengich, itanya ria thirikari ni gutigirira mishara irugamire gicunji kia 35 harĩ igana gikiringithanio na kigina giothe gia bururi gukinyiria mwaka wa 2028 gicunji kiria umuthi kirugamire gicunji kia 46 harĩ igana.
And because we are likely to continue recruiting in those areas, it means that the wage bill in absolute amount is likely to continue growing. But for us to achieve the ratio, then we must then look at other strategies.
Kuna ica ikuhĩ rũhonge rwa ũngania wa magoti rwa KRA nĩ rwĩrĩga kũnokoreria kũremererwo nĩ ũngania wa kĩgĩna kĩrĩa rwatanyaga kũngania mwaka-inĩ tũrĩ wa kĩgĩna na makĩria ya ciringi birioni 300. Thirikari ĩgatigwo gũcokia kĩũria gĩa kana hihi mũthia nĩ kwĩithanwa na kũnyihia namba ya aruti a wĩra nĩguo mathabu maya maingĩrane.
The Public Finance Management Act is specific on the principles of affordability and sustainability. These principles can easily be negated by non-coordinated implementation of human resource policies and practices, which may lead to a bloated workforce with unfortunate effects of escalating the public wage bill.
We have a strategy on control employee numbers. How can we do that? Very difficult to be able to say, let's lay them out, because it's not that easy to lay off employees who have been recruited.
We could have a bloated workforce, or really a huge workforce that is not really becoming very, very effective. You pick in that conference that there is a possibility that many of our medics are usually absent. Forget the strike, but we were told that almost 40% are not reporting to work as they should, or they are not as efficient as they should.
Munene wa aruti a wĩra Felix Koskei akona ni itua ria thirikari kwaga gwĩkĩrĩra nyongerera harĩ kĩgĩna kĩa mĩcara. Rĩu akiuga thirikari ĩrekĩrĩra mũno tabarĩra cia ũthii wa na mbere kuna ũmũthĩ kĩgĩna gĩa tiririoni 1.1 nĩkĩo kĩrathirĩra mĩcara-inĩ harĩ o mwaka wa kĩgĩna.
The unions and also the employees should not agitate for salary increase and sometimes unreasonable allowances without applying and checking the trends and the economic performance of the country.
It's also having a conversation about our accountability for the resources that we have. Are we effectively utilizing the resources that we have?
Mateta maruti a wĩra makĩria madagĩtarĩ arĩa marenda nyongerera ya mĩcara makoneka kwaga kũingĩra na wega na SRC. Ũndũ ũmwe na thirikari nene, rĩu thirikari ĩkĩonania kwaga itanya o rĩothe rĩa gũkinyanĩria nyongerera ĩno.
Tight fiscal space that we have, and also consider that at this time it is not possible to look for additional salaries because Kenyans are really paying taxes, and they want their taxes, first of all, to go to projects.
Hadi ni Kameme TV, retorako ni Bataru wa Mwage.